I am delighted to welcome you to our inaugural LEAD conference at Goodwill Industries of the Southern Piedmont. We'll focus on learning, engagement, accountability, and development for all of our leaders. Our theme this year, know the way, go the way, and show the way.
First of all, I'm just really excited that we're able to do this year, this LEAD conference. And I want to make sure that all of us as leaders are equipped to support our teams in the best way possible. It's always about people. And if you can inspire people and members of your team know that you have their back and what you're interested in is seeing them achieve what they want to achieve, the performance is going to be better, the organization is going to be better, and the community is going to be better.
Well, it's a pleasure for me to join the team here at Goodwill to talk about leadership. Leadership and leadership development is something that is a constant journey. And so doing programs like this, I think, are really required. I think we all have an obligation as business leaders to continue to grow the next generation of leaders that come. And so to have the opportunity to spend the time with the Goodwill team was very, very special.
What we're hearing from Keith Cockrell, who was our opening main stage speaker, is a good leader listens, a good leader communicates, and a good leader loves their people. And I think this conference was developed out of those tenets. It's for the people, by the people, and we want to make sure that our team members here at Goodwill feel valued, they feel heard, and we are able to pour into them with the essential skills that they need to continue to do an amazing job.
What makes this conference a little bit different from your average conference is that it doesn't end today, right? So every topic, every subject that we were intentional about choosing, there will be follow-up sessions after that. And also our final sessions will be straight resources. So what is it that you need to continue to lead this work?
I'm really happy that Goodwill is putting in the time and the resources and the energy to host this conference and invest in its leaders.
I really enjoyed our speakers that we've had so far. I think they had a lot of great insight, a lot of things that I can kind of take back to my team.
This is phenomenal. It's an excellent idea. We were able to just kind of put our cell phones down, laptops down and everything, and just be able to just sit back and receive the information.
I came in trying to get here and then found myself smiling and dancing on the way in, so that was really cool. Being able to have this time just to kind of pour back into ourselves allows us to pour back into others, and that's what we're here for.
There are many ways that other organizations can get involved with Goodwill. We do offer essential skills training external to Goodwill. If organizations love our training outside of essential skills, we always can create an employer engagement opportunity for hiring, for additional training and support.